Hello again, this is Lisa from Joyfully Art, coming to bring you another beautiful video. I'm going to be working on an 8x10 canvas today, and this is my dried painting from my last video. I want to give a shout out to Doris. She did a zebra stripe and I'd been thinking about doing one, so here it is. It's very pretty. I think it came out really nice. So there we have that one. So on with the next, and I forgot my white. Be right back. All right, here we go. So today everyone's been doing the chain pulled flowers, so I'm going to attempt that. Not sure how it's going to go, but we'll give it a try. So here's my white for the background. Don't want to do too much. Get it spread out. Not sure how this will go, but we'll give it a good try. Everybody else's has been looking great, so we'll see how mine go. All right. I want to get white on my chains, which is probably going to happen if I don't move them. All right, my chains are down here in front, if you can see them. I'm going to get my white a torch. Get the air bubbles out. I resined a couple of my paintings for the first time the other day, and believe me, it is not easy. I'm telling you. Resin is hard to work with, and it's hard to get everything covered, and it's hard to see, and it's hard to get it unstuck from what you have it sitting on. Okay, I'm gonna start. My colors today are Master's Touch Ocean Green. And I don't know if you can see my chains down here in front. I'm just gonna put them on the chain, on the chains that I have. This is Artist Loft Crimson Red. I can get it open. I think I have 5 chains. Basic dioxazine purple. Artist Loft deep magenta. And Deco Art Primary Yellow. All right, now left one end open so I can, my gloves are falling off here. I left one end open so I can grab a chain without any paint on it. Let's see how they did this. Maybe they started in the middle and went up like this, and then down, and then just pulled. like that. We'll try that. Okay, there's one. Might have to reuse the chains if I don't have enough to make the complete flower all the way around. But that's okay. There we go. If you get too much piled up in the middle, take a little sucker thing like this and just suck some of that paint out. I also have a pipette over here if I need to use it. It's smaller. That one didn't do quite as good. Turn them around here. Like I said, I've never done this before, so it is a experiment for me. Let's try this. You got to get some of that paint out of there. There we go. Oh, this is a short chain here. Let me put that back in for a second and off my hands. Don't let me wipe my hands off. I need to turn my canvas again so I can start up here. Okay. Oh, that's kind of pretty. I'm gonna have to reuse a couple of my chains, which is okay. We'll just put them back down in the paint and get them covered good. With the paint that we already have here. Might make some different colors. And there we go. There we go. Let's see about this. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. What should we do? I don't know about this spot right here. Let's take a shorter chain, get some more paint on it. Let's see if we can take it in the middle and make a spiral like this, maybe. Kind of, whoops, kind of pull it down like that to fill in that bottom. Let's see how it goes. Chip that off a little bit down there. I know you can't see, but I'm sorry. I need to see what it's doing, so I make sure that I don't tip off what I don't want to. Okay. Well, I don't like that hole there, but I'm afraid I'll mess up the whole dynamic if I do anything else to it. Let's give it a torch. And it's not as good as some of the other ones, but for my first time trying it, I think it turned out okay. Give you a close-up. Remember, this is an 8x10 canvas, so it's small, didn't have a lot to work with. These are acrylic paints. I did use a chain to pull them with. And I hope you liked it. Hope you learned a little something. You can watch other people do it, and I'll keep practicing on it, see if I can get better. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll be notified when I put up new videos. And share with your friends and family, please. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, please have a great day.